Hi everyone, Gotten here and welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am super duper excited for today's video because Htvront sent us over a automatic heat press and I have been dying to unbox it and show you guys. So let's get started. So we have our box here and right off the bat I can tell you it is pretty heavy, but what can we expect from an industrial heat press? So let's get to opening. So opening her up, we get the product manual and it looks like we have one sheet of Teflon sheet and lo and behold, our heat press.
Good quality, huh?
Yeah. I'm so excited. So now that I have her unboxed, I'm gonna go ahead and take off all this little plastic she has on and reveal her. Oh my goodness, she is beautiful. Now that we have her nice and unpackaged, I'm gonna go ahead and start setting her up. First step in setting up is going to be plugging her in, and it is just a regular plug. We're gonna go ahead and turn her on. So it looks like this one right here is going to be our temperature, and for today's project I'm going to need it at 340. So I have that set already, and the way you set your temperature is with this plus and negative sign. So obviously plus being up and then negative being down. Then we have our little clock here that allows us to set our timer. Those clicks are so satisfying. So as we can see, the little R is blinking red, which means our press is currently heating up. So while that heats up, I'm going to go ahead and explain these three little buttons down here. This button right here is going to be our mode key. And this mode key has 4 different options. So we are currently on 1. I can switch to 2, 3, and 4. And if I show you guys the pamphlet here, it says that mode 1 is at 300 Fahrenheit 15 seconds. Mode 2 is 320 for 15 seconds. Mode 3 at 330 for 20 seconds. And mode 4 at 390 and for 40 seconds. Then we have our custom option right here. So if I press it, it's gonna give me a A or B, which will allow me to set a default time and temp. So lastly, we have our automatic button. So here it's showing that it's on or off. But if you leave this option on, you are simply letting the machine know that once you put your garment in and put it back inside, the press will automatically press down on its own. We'll pull this out to let it pretend we have a garment and to push it back in. And there it is, automatically adding its own pressure. So then to have it come back up, I'll go ahead and press the R one more time and it'll detach. And that's totally up to you if you want to use it. If you want to take that automatic setting out, go ahead and just press that A one more time and it'll take that function off. And the only way for the press to go down on its own is if you press the R button. I would also like to point out that our temperature is already set, and by touching the rest of the machine, none of it is hot except for the plates on the inside. Not the handle, not the base, nothing outside of it is going to burn you. So I think that's super cool and super safe. So now that we have pushed all its buttons and kind of have an idea of how it works, it is time to test her out. I'm going to be testing out this DTF transfer of these Kirby's I drew on a black sweatshirt. That way we can see the heat press in action. So just like any other press, we are going to want to pre-press our garment before we put our design onto it, just to release all the moisture this may have. Then place our design onto our garment, press, let it cool down for just a little bit, and then peel. So to me, it peeled perfectly. There are some slight imperfections to my transfer because it has been sitting for a couple months, so definitely not the press's fault. Now that we have finally pressed our sweatshirt for the last time, now for a reveal. And I love it. It looks super cute. Considering we only pressed it twice, tells me that the automatic pressure is working perfectly. The press was super easy to use, and I can't wait to test it out with other products like sublimation, other shirts, other type of vinyl and transfers, etc. If you guys have been thinking of getting your own heat press, I definitely recommend doing so. And while you're at it, save yourself $20 by using my coupon code listed here. Same for the Teflon sheets, which you could never have too much Teflon sheets if you're a t-shirt business. I will also leave another $20 off coupon right here and down below for those as well. So before I end out this video, I just want to give a big thank you to you guys. Thank you guys for all the love you guys have shown my past videos, and I can't wait to keep making more. If you guys have any questions about today's video or anything crafty related, definitely leave a comment down below. And with that being said, thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you guys in next video. Make sure to like, subscribe, and comment, and I will see you guys then. Bye!